Reach UK and now stressing about accommodation and part-time job? Breathe. This will be sorted in few seconds. Let's talk about accommodation first. First, check university accommodation. It's safe, convenient, and perfect for new students. Next, explore trusted websites like Zoopla and Sparrow. You can also join WhatsApp and Facebook group of Indian and Gujarati students community. હવે આપણે કરીએ પાર્ટ ટાઈમ જોબની વાત. For part-time job, start with your university career portal. It's the safest and fastest way. Then apply on Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor or directly on company website. Walk-ins interview also work well at cafe, retail store and supermarket. So keep your NI number and CV ready. So આગળ તમને કોઈ બી સમસ્યા છે તો તમે જાણો જ છો તમારે શું કરવાનું છે. Visit SWEC for more information.